And we're live. Welcome to the Newspin Podcast. Thank you for tuning in. My name is JC, and we will be together for an hour of the full-on packed episode of Rock and Roll.
Ang live mo 8 years na yan. Yung nginig ng boses ko, ibang-iba pa kaysa sa... paano ko magsalita ngayon? May stroke of confidence naman na kahit pa paano. Diyan, sa video niyan, yan yung first episode ng first podcast ko nun. Basically, yan yung baptism of fire ko in podcasting and kind of speaking in public. And dyan din ako natuto kung paano magka-idea at least, paano mag-edit ng videos o produce ng podcasts, mag-interview ng mga tao. Basically, gain confidence. In some ways. I became a video editor because of that episode. Hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin ang isa sa mga trabaho ko. And I am very grateful for the opportunity sa tiwala sa akin, even if alam mo yun, may idea ako mag-edit pero I didn't exactly know it that well. Pero, somebody hired me to do that. And still, I'm working with that person, si Boss Joel. Si Carl, na isa sa mga authors ng mga libro na binabasa ko, especially that time, na I knew was a combat sports journalist then, na pinesentan ko na idea to start Destroy Manila. Ano na yung sports broadcasting? I mean, the opportunity for that opened up for me noong 2022, na nung sinabi sa akin, oo lang ako kasi nasa loob-loob ko, sayang, baka pagkakataon to. I mean, with podcasting, na umuo lang ako when I started it and I didn't care what people thought. Kind of. Sa boxing commentary, ganun din. And that allowed me to do more. And nung 2023, the following year, dun medyo mas dumami. 2024, nadagdagan pa yung opportunities because of podcasting, I had these opportunities open up for me. Naging pro MMA judge ako. Naging commentator ako for international events. And again, yung URCC stint ko, na I am very grateful na hanggang ngayon, they still trust me to do the job. Na looking back, ang first sports broadcaster who did commentary for URCC1 was Kinito Henson. I'm not trying to compare myself with him kasi ang tagal niya na sa industriya, but basically, yung parang siya noon. Even yung mentor ko sa sports broadcasting, si Sir Noel Zarate. He did URCC events before. And now I'm in their seat. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Yung mga naging kaibigan ko because of podcasting, mga na-meet ko, na mga naging tunay kong kaibigan. And sila Franco. I mean, I met him because of podcasting. We were covering Arte Suave noong 2018. Anyway, kung saan ako nadala ng podcasting, kung saan ba ako dadali ng podcasting, I'm just gonna go with it. I mean, after all, I think I'm in the right spot, and it's a continuous learning process anyway. So yeah, 8 years on, I can only say thank you, and I'm forever grateful to everyone who's been part of that journey. Sa lahat ng nagtiwala, I'm here because of you. Naging part pa ako ng pelikula as a sports broadcaster. My goodness. 8 years in podcasting. 2 more years, isang dekada na. Who would have thought? Diba? Who would have thought? Anyway, thank you for listening. That's that.